What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese with the Chinese online. Do you want to know more about Chinese proverbs? If you do, this section is made especially for you. Every time I will introduce a proverb and tell the story behind it in Chinese with English subtitles. I know you can't wait. Let's just get started.
今天的成语 Today's proverb.
今天的成语是井底之蛙 The frog at the bottom of the well. 井的意思是 well, 底的意思是 bottom, 之是一个 possessive particle, 跟的意思一样，蛙是 frog.
成语故事 The story behind the proverb.
很久很久以前，有一只青蛙住在一个废弃的井里。那口井小小的，它也从来没有离开过。对它来说，这口小小的井就是它的全世界。抬起头，也只能看到那井口的天空。有一天，有一只海龟来到井边。青蛙说：“海龟，你要不要进来我的井玩？我这里是全世界最好的地方，我这里可以玩水，玩累了还可以抬头看美丽的天空，我每天都过得好快乐。”海龟说：“你看过大海吗？大海很大很深，抬起头就可以看到无边无际的天空，那才是真正的快乐。”青蛙听了以后，才明白这个世界比他想的大得多，也才明白了自己的渺小。
成语解释 The meaning of the proverb.
这个成语字面上的意思是住在井里的青蛙，它是用来比喻那些见识短浅的人。
成语例句 The example sentences of the proverb.
他打了1-2年的篮球，就觉得自己可以去 NBA， 真是井底之蛙。离开家乡，我才知道原来比我厉害的人有这么多，我以前真是井底之蛙。每天都应该努力学习新知识，才不会变成井底之蛙。Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. And feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below. If you like my content, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot to me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!